Ki pulit ke East Khas Hills District ki layok ban bat haduh syihajar news pak prapu pratli ki kali tak yit yong bat Dain kuna haduh khat lai poin lai kusan lak tengka ha ke jing talasi bala penlong ha kanong ba Shillong. Superintendent of Police ke East Khas Hills uba Sylvester nong tenger haba pentip ya kini ha ka hendriu tarik nailur ulaong. Kenang ban penteri kam ya ka hukum jong ka ying bishar Supreme Court ki pulit ke Shillong Traffic Police STP kila penlong ke jing talasi persya ki kali ki bata yit yong ha ka ba kila yok ban bat no ya hadu shi hajar news pak praprat li bat Dain kuna hadu khat lai lak lai pusan hajar tingka kata nadu ke shi tarik naitung hadu ka hendriu tarik nailur hajar arpusau ha kani ke jing talasi ki bor pulit kila tarno ru ya baro ki black film bala pendaj hakikali bat Dain kuna ru ya ki Ula pentip ru banaki syihajar news pak prapu pratli ki kali bala yok ban lai pau tli ki de ki kali sorkar. Ha ke jing pen pau ke jong ula ong baka Supreme Court ke India ha ke jing pen mi hukum halor ke mukot duma bala bishar kala khang persya halor ke jing tak yit yong la ka long kat no ka percentage bala ban yo i syapo ne visual light transmission VLT ha ki safety glass windscreen syakmat bat syadien bat ki jing khang. Halor kani ka STP ka kentujur ya baro ki try kali bakin kiar na ka bata yit yong haki safety glass windscreen bat jingkhang jong ki kali bat lada kilata kin sobha ban weng no ya ki ong USP da ka baban rap ba ka jingbat ya ki kali bata yit yong nalor ka jingpen kenya ki weipat ki kendon jong ka MC Act kan yai biteng ban om shim da ki sin jam bating e persya e ki wapen kenya an.
It may be informed that the Honorable Supreme Court of India, via judgment on writ petition NO 265 of 2011, has prohibited the use of black films of any percentage visual light transmission on the safety glasses, windscreens, front, rear, and side glasses. Therefore, in order to uphold the direction of the Apex Court, the Shillong Traffic Police has been conducting vigorously checking against the use of black flames and thus detected 1,788 cases and realized the amount of 13,35,000. This is with effect from 1st July till the 6th of September, that is today. Furthermore, the black flames of such detected vehicles were removed following the fine imposed upon them. In the light of the above, the Shillong Traffic Police would like to appeal to all the vehicles owners to refrain from using the black flames on the safety glasses, windscreens, and side glasses of their vehicles, and if so, to kindly remove the same. The drive against the use of black flames, including other MB Act violations, shall continue and stringent actions will be taken against the violators. So our teams is working very hard every day under the leadership of our SP Traffic, his additional SP and UISP and all his in charge of Shillong Traffic. Yes, among these 1,788, about 30 vehicles belong to ML01. So of course, among those ML05 also there's government vehicles. So we are now looking with a private or government anything that is using black plate plated glass. We remove them. As of now, we have been directed that see all the ministers, all the MLA are allowed to use to retain one vehicle use tinted glass. Not mentioning we have got the direction. The rest not. Checking is by all the 7 traffic branches, right from Meghalaya, Limningri, Laban, Sadar, Limekra, Rancha, and Manarati. Of course, the highest always is Meghalaya and Manarati. Those are the two maximum they got remove this tinted glass. No, as per the direction, we are allowed. They said they will be allowed only one. That is their official vehicles. So the other vehicles they are not. So we are following that as per the direction from the senior.